Bad Cat's MPU and soundboard, and the problem description was that it wasn't making the second set of sound tests. I'll show you when I start this thing up. What I found was we just had two really crappy sockets at U9 and U24, so I've replaced those. I've installed NVRAM, I replaced C30, and I replaced these two 10 microfarad caps in the sound section also, and this board pair is good to go. So let's fire it up. Wait for the ding. And a music test. So this part was working. Show you display test. What happened? I'm going to skip through the rest of this. All right, we'll let the segment test run. This display outputs are working perfectly. So that was the part that wasn't working at all. Sometimes you'd hear the bad, but that was just it. All lamps and single lamps for good measure. Solenoids. This is the side select relay clicking on, thanks to the excellent design of Victor's test board that I have in front of me. Really love the fact that Victor is just an overthinker and he's thought of everything. So that was all the multiplex solenoids. These are the special solenoids. And let me drive those from the switch inputs. And they're working perfectly also. They go to switch edges, and Bad Cat's is one of the perhaps rare games that uses all 64 switches. So I'm just going across the diagonal and everything is working. We're going to skip the wheel spin test. I've already put the game on to free play, which is adjustment 23, and we are good to go. Back to attract mode, and no solenoids turned on. Somebody had replaced the LEDs. These are like million gigawatt LEDs here. They're super bright. Well, this and somebody also replaced these 100 microfarad power filter input caps before I got a hold of the board too. She is working 100%, and I thank you so much for sending it.